Right, this is a French Westminster chime clock. And very good detail it, look. Look, brass all around, look. Brass. Nice brass face. A lot of decorative stuff, look there, look. Decorative always. You got brass again there, look, brass there. Got like a flower thing there, look, flower pot there. Flower pot there. Pendulum, that's where the pendulum is, look. Brass. Brass all on the feet, look. It's in good condition. Oh, it's chimes on the hour now. Quarter past, that's trying to film on times at the same time, so to bear with me. Yeah, past. Quarter to. Amazing. Look at the face, look. See, look, I mean, there's a lot of, look there, look. Decorative all in the clock. There, look. Flower, look. It's like a vase with a flower in it, look. It's all brass, all decorative. On the bottom, look there, look. Nice bit of decorative with it. The door's about, say the door's between an inch to an inch and a half thick. I'll show you the door now. If you look how thick the door is, look. I mean, the door weighs a lot of weight on the door. Look at the door, look. Probably from an inch to an inch and to a half inch, the door is thickness. Show you inside the clock, look. You can, there's a lock for the door, look. Pendulum. Can't show you the back of the clock without moving the clock out of the way, like. But, I mean, you'll be talking about £3.5 to £4 for this clock, if you wish to buy it. So thank you for watching the video. I appreciate everybody who watches the video. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, see what you think.